Hello everyone, Mr. Santos here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your student account in Onshape so you can start using the program for our class. Open Google, type Onshape, and click the official link. Select Sign Up Now. Type your name and your email address. I'm using a temporary email just for this demonstration. Click Next. Select Education. Then choose Student. Click Next again. For the school name, open a new tab and search your school on Google. Copy the school name and paste it into the form. Next, it will ask for the school website. Click the school's website in Google, copy the link, and paste it into the box. Select your graduation year. Area of study, type Education. Check the confirmation boxes, then click Complete. Now, Onshape has created your account. The final step is to verify your email. Go to your inbox. You should see a message from Onshape. Open it and select Activate your account. That's it. Your Onshape student account is ready to use. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.